Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a 3D object move in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu and you can add any object. Now I am select the shape and draw any shape. Then draw the shape to this page. Now we want to make the shape or the object 3D. Select the shape format menu and choose the effect. Then select the preset. You can add any preset. Now I am select this. Go back again this effect option and choose the rotation and change the rotation. Now you want to move, select the shape and move anywhere. You can resize the shape, drag on our mouse. Now we can see we make a shape 3D and move this very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.